Alright, so next we're removing the drive shaft, and first you take off the muffler and then you take off this plate there, and it's right here with I believe 13 millimeters. Then the next you got these guys are 8 hex on that side. Of course I got the light there. 8 hex on this side, 17 millimeter on this side, and they go in the small triangles right there. And this is the big triangle. The other ones are 15 millimeter and 17 on the other side, go in the big triangle. So there's 3 small triangles. Those are the hex that are 8 millimeter, and these are the big triangle are the regular bolts, 15 and 17. All right, so back here at this flex disc, yeah, these are 15 millimeter on the nut, on the bolt, and 17 millimeter on the nut, and the nut faces to the back of the car. There's 6 of them. They're all the same, and then there's the center support bearing, and this one is kind of worn out, as you can see. It's still doing okay, but it is worn out. So these are, I believe, 13s, and that'll come down and should be able to free the whole drive shaft. Okay, so before you take the drive shaft apart to change the center support bearing, carrier bearing, you want to mark it. So as you see, I marked it here with some lines, and to match up there with some lines, because it's weighted like a tire's weighted. I guess that's a weight right there. So if you pull it off, make sure you have it marked. You're gonna have to pull it off to change this carrier bearing, center support bearing. And I also put the bolts back the way they go. And that's that.